Cross of Chucky. An incident house comes on the scene as the story begins. A mysterious parcel is delivered to that house, and a girl named Nika comes to receive it. Nika was handicapped from her childhood and could not walk, and Nika used to live in this with her mother named Sarah. Sarah opens that parcel and a doll appears from there, and that doll was Chucky. Being surprised, they were unable to get the idea. Who has this doll sent? They are not interested in this doll. After a while, Sarah throws that doll into the garbage can. Nika hears the shouting of her mother at midnight. Using the elevator, she comes to the ground floor. Coming down, she finds her mother strapped with scissors by someone, and her wound is bleeding. Witnessing it, Nika is confused, calls the ambulance hurriedly. Meanwhile, it is observed that the doll was seated on a nearby chair, and he was the culprit. The next morning, Nika's sister visits there with her family, including her husband, daughter, and an attendant. Nika's niece's name was Alice. Their church father was also with them. After a time, Alice discovers Chucky in the laboratory. She likes it much to possess her. On the opposite side, Nika's sister was struggling to agree on her that she would sell this house, but Nika disagrees. Nika is preparing dinner for everyone. Alice was also with her. When both are engaged sitting the dining table, then Chucky mixed the rat poison into a dish. The dinner is served by the poisoned dinner dish is not gauged. All begin to have a good appetite if father's condition starts worsening after a time. He was feeling something nauseous, so he leaves from there. Then police officers are shown who had visited there in a case of a car accident, and that father was the victim of that car accident. Father was entrapped in his damaged car's parts, and his wounds were bleeding outward. While removing the car parts, father's head is detached from his body. His dead practically. On the other side, all were watching the past video of Sarah. They also witnessed a stranger in the video whom they never saw. They were unable to identify who is he. Coming there, Alice tells Chucky has hidden somewhere else. He is not being catched. Then her attendant goes for her help. Noticing everything, Nika is compelled to think about Chucky. She contacts the courier service to know from where has this doll been sent. But she cannot contact me because of the phone network problem. Alice's attendant comes into the kitchen while searching Chucky. She observes that a knife is missing among other knives. Coming outside, Nika finds Chucky seated on a seat. Then, using the elevator, Nika goes to Alice to hand over Chucky. At the same time, there is a blackout. As a result, the elevator stops working. Nika hears a sound of a knife attack in the darkness. Suddenly, the night is stitched on and Nika is frightened by Chucky. Because Chucky was trying to horrify her, Nika hands Chucky over to Alice. Then Alice noticed a scar on Nika's leg. It was given by Chucky in the darkness. Nika had no feet due to the disability, so she sensed no pain. Even though she didn't know when was she got wounded. Nika's suspicion is accrues on Chucky due to this. Then she again contacts to courier service. She comes to know that it has been sent by someone. Hearing it, the call is disconnected because of the network problem. Nika's sister puts Alice to bed. After a time, Nika searches for information about Chucky through the internet. Then the reality of Chucky is exposed. She knows while reading a news article that Chucky has a demon of a serial killer in it. Chucky comes to Alice's attendant. She is afraid. Observing it, Chucky kicks a nearby bucket. As a result, it causes a short circuit because its water gets in the electric outlet. She is dead due to the electrocution. If you want to download the PDF, please visit the digistore45.stores.instamojo.com. Nika is left astonished seeing the photo of a serial killer because he was the same person who was seen in her mother's video by her. The police officers knew after an investigation that father spent the current whole day at Nika's house. So they move to Nika's house. Nika's sister discovers Chucky seated on the way. She thinks that her daughter is still playing with it because it was a late night. Nika tries to crouch upstairs to attract the attention of others, but there was a blackout because of the short circuit. Then Nika observes her sister there, and she says to her, "Through this doll, it was something." Nika's sister gets the meaning of it as she is talking about to fix camera in it. Uncontroversially, it started between them, and then began to blame each other. In the end, Nika's sister leaves, ignoring her. Nika struggles to go to the upper floor, climbing on stairs. Nika's sister observes something on the face of Chucky, so she begins to remove its artificial skin. Removing the artificial skin, she noticed the hidden stretch. Here Chucky exposes itself and scraps Nika's sister while removing its artificial skin. Chucky only says to Nika's sister, "Your eyes resemble your mother's eyes." Saying it stabs into her eyes. On the other side, Nika, who was about to reach the upstairs, she discovers her sister's eyes because sister's eye first and later dead body while climbing upstairs. And Chucky also begins to come after it. He is moving toward her. Sitting on a wheelchair, Nika goes to her brother-in-law quickly. She tells him Chucky has taken the lives of her sister and Alice attendant, leaving her in the garage. Nika's brother-in-law goes in search of his daughter Alice. Chucky starts the car in the garage, and Nika starts suffocating because of the exhaust from picking up the nearby plastics. She attacks Chucky when Nika's brother-in-law comes back. He was suspected Nika because Chucky was showing itself a motionless sitting on the clam position. He was thinking that she has committed both murders and he was also taking her insurance. Hearing him, Nika is panicked, knocking her out. Coming into their sense, she finds herself bound with the wheelchair by her brother-in-law. Then Nika's brother-in-law views all the footage of the fixed hidden camera in Chucky. Then he comes to know that Chucky is a misdoer, and it is Chucky who was hidden his daughter somewhere. But it was unless to know it now, because Chucky possessed the wheelchairs of Nika arrived there. He also possessed Nika's brother-in-law. Afterward, he attacked his face with the same axe, and it kills him pitifully. After it, he moves to Nika, taking that axe. Nika protests herself, stopping it with her extended legs before it, as it is about the attack with axe. That axe is struck with her leg. Having humble feet, she never felt pain in her feet, so removing that axe. She buried Chucky, and Chucky presented itself dead. Talking Chucky dead, she begins to cover her wound with a cloth. Meanwhile, Chucky fixed their head while rising after her, and the drop Nika from the roof along with her wheelchair, and it also began to move down holding a knife. Nika asked why it is why is it targeting her family. Chucky incredibly say, "I am your old family friend." Then the flashback appears. It was the time when Chucky had been a serial killer. Her Chucky had encountered Sarah of the first time at a party, and he had begun to like Sarah. from that time, and he dreamed to endure her. So it was the cause that he put Nika's father to an end. Kidnapping Sarah, he wished to spend his life with Sarah, but Sarah rejected him clearly. In in somehow Sarah has called the police officer after her. He lost his temper seeing them, and he stabs Sarah in her stomach. So this was the cause of Nika's disability from her childhood. Then Chucky tells he hid in a toy shop to escape from police officers. After being shot by police officer, he transmitted his soul into a doll, and he took the form of a tall Chucky, and he spoils many families for taking revenge after years. Now he has come back to take revenge on Sarah's family. Hearing it, Nika makes fun of it. Then he didn't kill his target family, which is still alive. Knowing it, Chucky becomes aggressive. Nika locks herself going into an elevator, and Chucky also begins to beat on her hand. Coming there, and she stretches the knife from Chucky. Chucky attacks her once again, but she stabs in at this time. Despite this, Chucky does not lose their breath. At the same time, the police officer reaches Nika's house. Hearing the shooting of Nika, they break into the house. Breaking the door, coming inside, they first witness the dead body of Nika. Then officer observes Nika, who has a blood-stained knife in her hand. He was thinking that Nika is responsible for all murders, and Chucky was also seated on the nearby chair. Now there is a scene in the court. Nika had been accused of 4 murders. He was released because all weapons had the fingerprint of Nika, and Nika is sentenced to send the criminal psychotropic hospitals. Nika provokes Chucky while going and says she is still safe, and he didn't take her life yet. Then the same police officer come on the scene who was going somewhere. Talking Chucky, in fact he was going to sell Chucky. While sitting in his car, someone caught his veins from the back seat, and this movie ends here. If you want to download the ebook, go to digistore45.stores.instamoja.com. My Gmail ID is mythroat84@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video. Next video I explain you cut of Chucky. Thanks for watching. Bye.